Okay, on this video, we're going to show you the My Network section, but specifically the binary tree view. So once you log in to your vCloud back office, you want to go to My Network and you arrow down and you're going to see a number of different choices. Okay, now first off, we've already covered the unilevel tree in a different video, so that's that. Let me show you the binary tree. These will be the people that fall on your left or on your right. Okay, in the dual team, the team commission section of the member rewards plan, and so this is how to track all that and see all that. So first off, this would be you here at the top, and then your right and left. You could go down this way. Now you could, incidentally, you could add someone here if you want, or if you wanted to go all the way to the bottom right, okay, you could click on that and you could put someone in the business right here. So you could enroll someone right here for sure. But let's go back and look at the tree. So if you go to parent, okay, remember we went all the way to the bottom right. So if you go to parent, that'll scroll up one unit, one person. Okay, we keep going. Okay, and then if you click the top, okay, let's go back here. If you click top, then it'll go all the way back to you. Okay, and same thing on the left side. Now, whatever is your shared line. Some people would call it your power line. These are going to include, spillovers as well. So you could roll over someone and it changes the information. If you look down here in the member information section, okay, you could see some familiar names. This is a test account. Obviously, you could see more information about that individual, okay, who sponsored this person, their membership level, okay, whether they've purchased a pack or not, or they're just a member, achieved any kind of rank, their pay rank, whether they're qualified, whether they're active. So you can literally scroll down and manage your business here as well. Now on this side, you can actually see the volume weeks. So currently we're in week 22, for example, as I'm filming this. And so right volume, left volume. The previous week, right volume, left volume. And then, of course, the week before that, right volume, left volume. And then down here, it'll show you any volume that you have carrying over your right or your left. Now, you can also change the view. So you can search and you can go to someone by putting in their full email address or their username. Okay, or if you happen to have their ID number, great. But one of those, and you can then go right to that person in the tree. You can also change the view and go from a standard view where we're on now to a graphical view. Okay, that's going to maybe be a little bit more pleasing to the eye, so to speak. But you get a little less information on one page. So if you go to the standard view, you don't have to scroll. You get everything on one page. And so that's why a lot of people like that. So that is the binary tree view in your vCloud member back office. Very quickly, sponsored members, okay, these are going to be the people that you personally enrolled. And then referred customers, this is going to be detail about those referred customers. The specific orders from those customers, as we already covered, will be in the order navigation as we covered in that video. So hope this helps us to give you, again, a little bit more optics on your binary tree so that you can really understand what's going on. If you got any questions, let us know. Enjoy.